Have you ever looked at a map of Australia and noticed the vast areas of emptiness, devoid of any sign of human activity? It's a question that has tickled the curiosity of many, from geography enthusiasts to casual observers. Australia, the world's smallest continent, yet the sixth largest country, presents a unique paradox with its large swathes of land that seem untouched by human settlement. Here's a landmass nearly as large as the United States, but where the United States bustles with over 300 million people, Australia's population barely touches 25 million. So what is it about this vast land down under that keeps it so underpopulated? The first instinct might be to blame the geography. Australia is a land of extremes. From the lush tropical rainforests of the north to the arid deserts of the interior, the continent's geography poses a significant challenge to human habitation. It's a land where the highest peak, Mount Kosciuszko, is only about 1/4 the height of Mount Everest, and where the largest river, the Murray, flows at a rate less than 1% of the Amazon. But it's not just the geography that's to blame. The climate plays a significant role too. Australia is the driest inhabited continent on Earth. Its centre, known as the Outback, is a vast desert where temperatures can soar to 50 degrees Celsius in the summer and plummet to below freezing in winter. Life in such conditions is a challenge, to say the least. It's not surprising, then, that most Australians prefer to live along the more temperate coastal regions, leaving the interior largely uninhabited. The vast uninhabited expanses of Australia are not just blank spaces on the map. They are a testament to the country's unique and challenging environment. The lack of human activity in these regions is not due to a lack of effort or ambition, but rather a testament to the power and majesty of nature itself. As we delve deeper into the reasons why much of Australia remains unpopulated, we'll discover the complex interplay between geography, climate, and human settlement that has shaped this fascinating continent. Australia's geography is as diverse as it is daunting, with vast deserts, rugged mountain ranges, and isolated coastlines. This variety in terrain is one of the main reasons why large portions of Australia remain uninhabited. Let's begin with the immense and inhospitable Australian outback. Characterized by its harsh desert landscape, the outback covers nearly 3/4 of the country. Its arid conditions, scorching temperatures, and lack of water make it a challenging environment for people to live in. This isn't a place where you'll find cities or towns. Instead, it's a vast, unbroken expanse of sun-baked earth and scrubby vegetation, with only the occasional mining town or cattle station breaking the monotony. Next, we turn our attention to Fraser Island, the world's largest sand island. Located off Australia's eastern Queensland coast, it's a place of extraordinary beauty. With its long, uninterrupted white beaches, crystal-clear lakes, and lush rainforests. However, its sandy terrain makes it unsuitable for agriculture or development. The island is a World Heritage Site with strict regulations in place to preserve its unique ecosystem. Then there's the Great Barrier Reef, a marvel of the natural world that stretches over 2,000 kilometers along the Queensland coast. This vibrant underwater ecosystem is home to countless species of marine life, but it's not a place where humans can set up home. Its preservation is crucial for the planet's biodiversity. Finally, Australia's mountain ranges, such as the Great Dividing Range, present their own challenges. Rugged and remote, these areas are difficult to access and not conducive to large-scale habitation or farming. In conclusion, the geographical factors that contribute to Australia's vast uninhabited areas are varied and complex. From the arid outback to the sandy Fraser Island, the underwater world of the Great Barrier Reef and the rugged mountain ranges, each presents unique challenges to habitation. Australia's daunting geography with its vast deserts and rugged terrains presents significant challenges to habitation and development. Apart from its challenging geography, Australia's climate plays a significant role in its uninhabited expanses. Australia is a continent of extremes, and its climate is no different. The vast interior, known as the Outback, is characterized by some of the harshest climatic conditions on Earth. Here, temperatures can soar above 50 degrees Celsius in the summer, making it all but impossible for humans to live without modern conveniences like air conditioning. But it's not just the extreme heat that makes these areas uninhabitable. The continent also experiences incredibly low rainfall. The arid conditions result in a landscape that is dry and parched for most of the year. This lack of water makes it difficult for plants to grow, and without vegetation, the soil erodes and becomes even more barren. Furthermore, Australia is no stranger to droughts. They are a frequent occurrence, particularly in the interior regions. Droughts can last for several years, sometimes even a decade or more. Imagine trying to grow crops or raise livestock in such conditions. It would be nearly impossible, wouldn't it? Agriculture is a key factor in human settlement. We need to grow food to survive, and for that we need reliable rainfall and moderate temperatures. But in much of Australia, these conditions simply do not exist. The extreme heat, coupled with the lack of rainfall and the frequent droughts, make it incredibly difficult to sustain agriculture, and without agriculture, large-scale human settlement is unlikely. Now, this isn't to say that people haven't tried to settle these areas. Over the years, many have ventured into the outback, determined to make a go of it. But without the necessary resources to combat the harsh climate, most have found it too challenging and have eventually moved away, leaving behind vast uninhabited expanses. The harsh climate, marked by extreme temperatures and frequent droughts, makes survival and growth a challenge in vast parts of Australia. So, as we've explored, Australia's vast uninhabited regions are the result of a combination of geographical and climatic challenges. This sprawling continent is a tapestry of unique geographical features, from the arid outback to the rugged mountain ranges that have shaped the distribution of its population. The inhospitable conditions of these terrains, coupled with the scarcity of water sources, make life a daunting prospect in these areas. Moreover, Australia's harsh climate plays a significant role in its lack of human habitation. With scorching summers, erratic rainfall, and frequent droughts, the climate is not conducive to large-scale human settlement or agriculture. Despite these challenges, Australia's diverse wildlife has adapted to thrive in these conditions, demonstrating the resilience of nature. The adaptability of life in these challenging circumstances is truly a testament to the enduring spirit of the natural world. Unfolding the mysteries of Australia's uninhabited regions reveals a land shaped by its unique geography and climate, a testament to the resilience of nature and the adaptability of life.